I want to show you guys how I eyeball my fondant to get it to the correct consistency. I'm making 2 batches of fondant right now. So the one in the blue mixer, the fondant is a little soft, and you can tell when I pick it up that fondant kind of falls off of the hook. Right. And you can look at it. You could see that it looks a little too soft. This one is the right consistency. And when I lift it up, comparing it to the other one, it's falling off, but it's not as soft. Right? So I eyeball it all the time. I can tell the texture of my fondant by the way that it looks. And I know that's hard to explain, but look at it. It does not look as soft as that blue one, right? So this is what I do. Now, this is the good batch of fondant that wasn't too soft, and I'm kneading it on the countertop, and I add a tiny bit of Tylose powder. That was probably about a quarter teaspoon. I never measure it. I'm sorry I don't measure it, but it's just a little bit, just to get it stretchy. And look at it. There's no pock marks. It looks perfect. I'm going to wrap that up. Now, I added a bit more powdered sugar to the soft batch, and as I lift it up, you could see before it was falling off the hook, and now it's basically holding its shape on the hook, so I know that it's ready. So as I'm kneading it, I want to compare the 2 batches. So the one on the left was the perfect one. The one on the right has some pock marks in it. It's a little softer, so I'm going to add more Tylose. So you can see I added more Tylose to the soft batch. So that was probably a half to 3/4 of a teaspoon. And now when I pull it apart, there's not pock marks in it. It looks a little smoother, if you will. So I'm going to wrap that up in plastic. Now let's do another one. So I'm making this 3rd batch here. I was so annoyed making all that fondant. But as I lift it up, it's still holding itself around that hook. It is a little on the softer side, but that's okay. So when I knead this out, I'm going to add a little more Tylose. Whoops, there were little sugar balls in there. But again, I'm going to add more Tylose to the softer batches and then knead all of that in, which is going to get it to be really smooth and easy to work with. I do have a video showing you how to make fondant from scratch, and here is the recipe card. You can screenshot this and save it for later, and let me know if you have any questions.